But who is going to doubt that the whole thing is ready to?
Yeah, wait till you see your property is done. You know, nothing left.
Some property like that one made of cement, they're healing the roof. But it's total destruction here. It looked like an atomic bomb. Cinder block wall went down.
That was probably from the water.
But
source.
the wind too.
I wonder how much those walls can sustain in a surge, a big tidal surge.
ICF will stand. 3D panel will stand.
Wow.
The water current and the wind will stand.
In 200 meters, turn right onto Bay Street.
Wow. Cement block houses.
Take the next right onto Bay Street. Continue for 3 kilometers.
He was in your way. Yeah, we're driving here on the wrong side. Look at the marina. The only one that is left is the water in the marina. Everything else is gone. Look at this. Oh wow. My.
They hadn't even started cleaning up right here.
Total destruction.
Look at that. How's that still standing?
Yeah, wood.
Those posts.